In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce user. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a refresher, setting up a new user is a straightforward process, and I'll be guiding you through it step by step. First, you'll need to access the Salesforce homepage. So let's start by going to the Home section within your Salesforce account. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the dashboard that gives you an overview of your tasks, updates, and essential information. Now, directing your attention to the top corner, you'll need to locate the Quick Settings option. Clicking on this will open up a menu with several options. Within this menu, there's an option labeled Users. By selecting Users, you'll be taken to the User Management section of Salesforce. This is where you manage existing users and add new ones, giving you control over who has access to your system. With the User Management page open, you're going to add a new user by providing some basic details. First and foremost, ensure that you enter a valid email address. This email will not only serve as the contact point for the new user, but will also be their initial point of access, as Salesforce uses it to send the invitation and login credentials. It's crucial to double-check the email for accuracy to prevent any delays or issues with account activation. After the email has been entered, it's time to select the user profile. A user's profile in Salesforce determines their permissions and level of access to data and features. Here, you have to decide what kind of access the new user will need. For instance, you might want to assign them as a standard user, which typically allows for essential access and functionalities without administrative privileges. Clicking on Standard User or any other profile from the list will assign it to the new user. Finally, once the profile is selected, there's just one more step. You'll want to find and click the Send Invitation button. This action will automatically send an invitation email to the address you provided earlier, guiding the new user through their initial login process. Included in this invitation will be a link to set up their password and complete their user account activation. Creating a Salesforce user is as simple as that. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new user who can now begin to interact with Salesforce according to the permissions you've set. Remember, managing user accounts efficiently helps keep your data secure and your operations smooth. Thanks for watching, and happy Salesforce managing.